Hi everyone, it's been a while, but I'm back with this gorgeous look. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So starting with my brows, I'm using the Perfect Brow Pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I brush, then I outline my brows, and I start to gradually fill it in. I'm using the dark brown shade. And lately I've been doing this where I join the brows together, and it helps with making sure it aligns properly. It gives it a very symmetric kind of look. Next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel, and I'm using this to set as well as fill in the brows. To shape out and clean my brows, I'm using Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer from Maybelline and MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. I'm using that to shape out my brows and also set my eyes ready for the eyeshadow. For my eyes, I'm using the Nude palette from Huda Beauty. The first shade I'm using is called Teddy, and I'm using that as a transition. Taking Love Bite, and I'm applying that also on the crease, just a little bit below the first one, and I'm using that to darken the crease. I'm using Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. Next, bringing in some sparklers, I'm using Infatuated, and I'm applying that on that cut section. Next, using another favorite palette from Huda Beauty, the Sapphire Obsession. I'm putting that on the outer V. To line my eyes, I'm using Fineline from Airly in black, and I'm drawing my wings for any dark areas using the Airly Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector. Today I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fliud NW40, blending that. Using the Maybelline concealer to highlight and conceal and highlight. Let's draw. For cream contour, I'm using my favorite from Fenty Beauty. This is the Matchstix, and it's in the shade Expresso, and I'm using that to contour my face. To set my face, I'm using this affordable setting powder from AirSpun. It's a loose powder, and I love it. To set my cream contour, I'm using from Crayon case the Contoursition notebook, and it's also affordable. In my waterline with this black liner from, I believe it's called Chianti, London. Sorry. I'm smoking out the bottom lid using from Huda Beauty the mini Obsession palette, Sapphire Obsession. Today is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Blush Thrill. To highlight, I'm using from Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter, and this is in Radiant Rose Gold. Mascara, I'm using from Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm cleaning this look with this lashes from Nude Beauty. I'm using one of my favorite purple shade lipstick, and this one is from Stila. Can you tell I like purple? And we've got to keep everything in place, so I'm using Morphe Setting Continuous Mist. The final look. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, stay blessed. African bad girl, me like your style, baby, big body. Do for me.